Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 mini chainsaw. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Cordless Chainsaw. Specifications. Brand name, Day Plus. Motor type, brushless. Type, 6-inch chainsaw. Material, ABS plus metal. Color, blue. Battery, 1500 mAh lithium battery. Power, 600W. Guide plate length, 6-inch. Cutting size, 80 mm. Saw blade size, 110 mm. Max load, 2200 RPM. Item number 4 is Day Plus Mini Chainsaw. Specifications. Brand name, Day Plus. Motor type, brushless. Feature, anti-slip. Type, gasoline chainsaw. Power type, battery. Type, 6-inch cordless electric chainsaw. Motor, brushless. Power, 5000 W. Voltage, 21 V. Battery capacity, 1500 mAh. Guide bar length, 6-inch. No load speed, 3500 RPM. Material, ABS plus metal. Certification, CE. As the item number 3 we've selected, 6-inch mini chainsaw. Specifications. Motor type, brushed. Feature, anti-slip. Type, gasoline chainsaw. Power type, battery. Material, metal, carbon steel. Features, variable speed, ergonomic grip, effective cutting. Origin, mainland China. Item number 2 is Portable Cordless Electric Chainsaw. Specifications. Brand name, Detrius. Feature, anti-slip, other. Type, pull chainsaws. Power type, electricity. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Brushless Mini Cordless Chainsaw. Specifications. Brand name, Day Plus. Motor type, brushless. Feature, anti-slip. Type, gasoline chainsaw. Power type, battery. Material, ABS plus metal. Type, brushless chainsaw. Voltage, 21 V. No load speed, 5600 RPM. Guide plate length, 8-inch. Cutting size, 180 mm. Weight, 1.6 kilograms.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.